You searched how to buy shares of Avanos Medical Inc., a medical device company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AVNS. This video is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker AVNS to find Avanos Medical Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listed result to ensure it's the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company overview, the price chart, and basic information about the business. Double-check the ticker AVNS and the NASDAQ listing to confirm you have the right stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before you confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to try the process, and remember, this is educational, not investment advice.